dinner. High-tech ngayon, high-tech dito sa Hong Kong, guys. Kasi para mas madali, hindi ka na magpila-pila sa counter. You just pick an order here. You can select, and then after you select there, you have to pay in the counter. After you pay, the counter will give you this one, and then you will wait your number and get your order. Okay, and now I'm waiting for my number. It's 7:05, so wala pa. So I'm waiting for 7:05 to serve, and I will get over here. Hindi ngayon ako nag-day off, guys. I mean, hindi ako lumabas. Sa bahay lang ako nag-movie marathon. And now, lumabas lang ako for dinner. Kasi hindi ako nag-lunch. Nagtinapay lang ako. So now, burger naman. Mag-diet-diet ako. No rice na. Mag-limit-limit na sa rice. Mag-diet. Dito ako sa McDonald's. May Jollibee din dito, guys. Kaso nga lang, limited lang yung branches ng Jollibee dito. Gusto sana namin sa Jollibee kaso malayo yung Jollibee. So, yung McDonald's is everywhere lang dere. Malapit sa building ko. So, dere na lang. Ay, 7:05. It's too long. Not yet served. So, ito lang. I'm waiting. Oh, 7:05 is there already? Are you sure? Ba't iba yung sa screen dito? Iba din doon. What's the meaning of that? 7:05 is there already? 7:05. Okay. Thank you. Let me check it first. You should check first yung order mo kung tama. Okay, so far tama naman siya. So, I'm going now sa KFC because one of my friends is waiting there. She ordered his food in KFC. So, me, I want McDonald's. There. So, doon kami kakain sa KFC kasi doon siya sa KFC nag-order. So, nag-take out lang ako sa McDonald's para doon na lang kumain kasabay niya.